How to add text to your subjects and remove the subject from the background and blur the background and even add text behind the subject in Pixlr Online in 2024. Step number 1, drag your image onto Pixlr. Step number 2, click Ctrl D to duplicate. In this case, I already have a copy, so I'm going to click backspace. Okay, so for the copy image, or one of the images you choose, go under to your left, and then click the cutout/mask tool. Under the AI Auto, make sure the first is selected, Shape Mask, and click AI Auto. The next step is to click your first image that is not masked out, and then it's to go under to Filter, Details, and Gaussian Blur. Drag this to the right or all the way up to 100 and click Apply. I'm going to do this one more time. Notice that our image got a little bit blurrier than before the effect. Okay, next you want to go to Adjustments and go under Brightness and Contrast. I'm dragging the brightness to the left so it's negative so the image gets darker, and I'm dragging the contrast to the right so that the image pops out more. So 31 or negative 31 and 57 and click Apply. The next step is to go and find the Type tool or the Text tool. Click and drag on the screen and type in whatever text that you want. Control A to highlight and make this however color that you want it to make it. Adjust the size accordingly, add a style if you want. Okay, so now that we have our text, we want to have the text underneath our subject that we masked out. So go under Layers, click and hold your text and drag it underneath the copy. Adjust the text accordingly. If you cannot adjust the text, then click on the text and go back and click the T for text, and this will pop up as we can see. So now you can adjust the size. If you want to move the text and you have trouble moving it, as I do right now, go under to Edit and Free Transform. But Free Transform is color gray. Go over to our text on Canvas and right click and click Rasterize Layer. So now when we click our text image, when we go under to Image, we go under to Edit, we can free transform and move our text accordingly. And this is the before, and this is the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free photo editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and share the video.